Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. First step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, that might be problem for the app. So turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second option is open the Facebook on your phone and make sure you are install the app on your phone, or if you are Android user, go to Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, go to the App Store or install the app. After installing, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. And the next step is tap on your profile picture to go to your profile page. Now the other step is tap on your profile picture, go to your profile page. Now the on the step is tap the three dots next to the edit profile button, and here you will see the many options like follow setting, add highlights, meta verified like others, and here down there here you will see lock profile. Click on lock profile. Then the other step is lock your profile, and on the down the phone here you will see the lock profile. Click on lock profile, and here you will see the you locked your profile. Only your friend can see photos and posts and stories, and then click on OK. So that's it. Your Facebook profile is now locked. When your profile is locked, only your friends can see your photos, posts, and full profile information. People who are not your friends will only see limited details. And that's how you lock your Facebook profile in under 1 minute. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.